Ayers started 41 years ago as an outside waterproofing contractor. And in 2009, Virgil wanted to buy a building, and so we became partners in a building. And that worked so well that he sold me half of the company 2 years later. And then in 2016, we started the process for me to buy the other half of the company. And in 2018, that took place, and here we are today.
The culture, well, we're redefiners.
It's like family to me. You know, they care deeply and respect me, and they just want nothing but good for me.
Like a brotherhood and, you know, like another family.
It's really the first time where I've ever truly worked with friends that love me enough to hold me accountable.
The culture at Ayers is like a big one-team mentality.
I want to bring others along and have them realize that, you know what, Ayers is a place I can make the home.
Lots of people ask me how my relationship is with Zach, both at work and at home. Zach and I have always had a relationship where we brought our family in to work. I mean, he's my son and I'm his dad, and that just never really changed.
The coolest part is that he's been my best friend forever, right? So it's really easy to get up every day and just want to kill it. Not just for him, but you know, I want to make him proud.
And we came to this family planning program, and we learned that we could put on different hats. We could put on a work hat, and then we could take our hats off at the end of the day, and we could put our family hat on.
Taking my son hat off at work, and understanding that when we're at work, we're going to have a different kind of relationship than we do when we're not at work.
I want to do a big shout out to Nancy and Greg Thrasher. Thank you for putting that on, and thank you guys for being so honest. Thank you.
My wife was asked, you know, how does James like his new job? And my wife goes, I don't know, but he's just a much better person at home.
You know, I'm a better person, I'm a better husband, a better father, just a better human being just from working at Ayers.
Personally, it's afforded me the ability to start a family, have a home for myself, you know, which is today kind of tough to do for some people.
I don't have to worry. I don't worry about money. I am completely taken care of, and it's because of my Ayers family.
Again, I sound like a broken record, but it's just a joy to come to work every day, and then know that when I go home, it's going to be good, and I'm going to be excited to get up the next day.
Knowing all the people we have on the team, including Zach Krieger and Ed Krieger, you know, everybody within management and production and all the gears within the company, you know, everybody's passionate, and I think that's what led us to get the Integrity Award, is having a good heart and being passionate about what we do.
When we won the Integrity Award, I think that it impacted not only me, but our entire management team. I mean, we had 22 people in the crowd, and they went wild.
I know that when we were at conference last year and it was announced, I don't think there was a dry eye around any of our tables.
It brought tears to my eyes when we got that. Like, it was just, we worked really hard.
Our integrity is everything. It's our name, it's our guts. It meant a lot. It meant a lot to bring that home.
It's my honor to present this year's Integrity Award winner to Ed Krieger with Ayers Business Systems.
We talk about all the time, if you want something to live on in your organization, then you're going to talk about it a lot. If you want something to go away, then you completely stop talking about it. And so redefining the industry in our company is never going away. It's a legacy project.
The future is incredibly bright. The future means that we get to continue doing what we're doing, but we get to help more people. We get to bring on people and teach them and show them that, you know, you can actually help redefine contracting. You actually can do these things, because we're never going to let it die.
It's evolution. Redefining is knowing that we're gonna give everything our absolute best shot. We're gonna give it everything we've got, and we're gonna have the strength of our entire team and our entire network behind us when we do. And then we're gonna go to bed at night feeling great about the work that we put in, and then the next day, we know that we can do it even better.